बेळगाव वाणिज्य आणि उद्योग मंडळ, जिल्हा कायदे सेवा प्राधिकरण, श्रम विभाग आणि बेळगाव जिल्हा लघु उद्योग संघ यांच्या सहकार्याने पॉश कायदा आणि विविध श्रम कायद्यांविषयी जागरूकता कार्यशाळा आयोजित करण्यात आली होती। सकाळी उद्यमबाग येथील बीसीसीआय हॉलमध्ये ही कार्यशाळा पार पडली। कार्यक्रमाचे अध्यक्ष बीसीसीआयचे अध्यक्ष प्रभाकर नागर मुन्नोळी होते। मुख्य अतिथी म्हणून जिल्हा कायदे सेवा प्राधिकरणाचे मान्यवर सदस्य सचिव संदीप पाटील उपस्थित होते। अतिथी म्हणून कामगार विभागाचे सहाय्यक आयुक्त डीजी नागेश, बीडीएसएसआयए अध्यक्ष श्रीधर के उप्पीन, कामगार अधिकारी मल्लिकार्जुन जोगर आणि राजेश जाधव, राजेश अस्नोटीकर, ज्योती कांटे इत्यादी उपस्थित होते। यावेळी बोलताना कामगार विभागाचे उपायुक्त नागेश यांनी सांगितले की कामगारांनी स्वतःच्या नोकरीच्या ठिकाणी कायद्यांतर्गत त्यांना उपलब्ध असलेल्या संधीबाबत माहिती असणे आवश्यक आहे।
Integrity is very important because many employees work in industry disclose the important information to the other industries, particularly competitive industries. It should not be so. In fact, today's world of work is there is rapid technology, growing technology, and we all know that artificial intelligence is occupying every technology, and various new models of business is there. They are reshaping the industry. In this scenario, the importance of labor laws has become very important. Therefore, these type of programs or arrangements always necessary for reducing the conflicts in the industry and for bringing the prosperity in the industry. So this is important for both employers and employees. So I once again congratulate the organizers for arranging this type of program and giving us an opportunity, giving to the Labour Department an opportunity to showcase our labour laws. And of course, I know all the employers here know very well, and almost all HR officers, HR assistants are also here. They also know very well. In fact, Labour Department in recent days has shifted the focus from implementation of labour laws or enforcement of labour laws to welfare programs. We have been implementing around 23 labour laws. Out of them, many of them are connected to or pertaining to social security. We have Unorganized Workers Social Security Act 2008, Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Act. These are the social security acts for unorganized workers are also being implemented in the Labour Department. Apart from that, we have Minimum Wages Act, Payment of Wages Act, Gratuity Act, Labour Welfare Act, Bonus Act, Industrial Dispute Act, Standing Orders Act. This way, there are many labour laws also. So we are not implementing properly all the acts. Only collected or pertinent acts are being implemented. Therefore, in this program, definitely there will be a good discussion with the HR, particularly with the HR officials, because Industrial Dispute Act clearly gives the guidelines how to, particularly Industrial Dispute Act makes the provision for redressal of various types of disputes and brings amicable settlement among the employers and employees.
हा कार्यक्रम यशस्वी करण्यासाठी सतीश कुलकर्णी, संदीप बागेवाडी, वैभव वेर्णेकर, वैभव यादव आदी सहभागी होते। संकल्प शिंदे, KMM मराठी, बेळगाव।